how I make my bunny hat. You draw the shape on a t-shirt. So it's like this. You cut out 2 long pieces. Sewing time. If you want to look professional, you can use a sewing machine, but I'm hand sewing. Figure out where you want the ears. Sew ear on. You can cut these to whatever length you want, and you can also sew wire into them if you want it to be like firmer.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the same, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh, the master of my sea. Oh, ooh. I was broken from a young age, taking my soul into the masses, writing my poems for the few that looked at me, took to me, shook to me, feeling me, singing my heartache. From the pain, taking my message, from the pain, speaking my lesson, from the brain, seeing the beauty through the...
Let me tell you about how I made this crop top. I started out by drawing my idea. Looking back on my teen years, I've realized that I didn't really wear the clothes that I truly wanted to, so I'm gonna start making them now. I started out by cutting up my patterns and pinning them to this board. I used a special bleach mixture that was just thick enough to create these really cool drips. It's basically a recipe I found on Google for a watered down bleach gel, so you could probably do it too. After doing the front and the back, I threw it in the washer and it was time to sew. I sewed the neckband, top stitched, and it was time to dye. I wanted it to sit in the dye for a long time, so I did an ice dye. And after sitting for 24 hours, I washed it a few times, ironed it, and I was done. So let me know what you think. Leave a comment down below what I should try next. So...
I got your picture, I'm coming with you, dear Maria, count me in. There's a story at the bottom of this bottle and I'm the pen.
This speech is my recital. I think it's very vital to rock around. That's right, on time. It's tricky. Here we go. It's tricky to rock around, to rock around. That's right, on time. It's tricky. It's tricky, 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 tricky.
Take me home, give me that pink slip of permission. This is all, I'm tired of wishing.
Take my hand and stay with me, my dear. I think you broke my